Coca-Cola Zero pre-workout. All right, so this is the, oh, this is spa. Oh, oh, that's me. I thought someone popped up. Oh, so what is this spa though? Like sauna maybe? Massage is only available for room service.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Okay, so this is the gym. You ready? Mm-hmm. The gym 3M.
We need a card.
Oh, I know that. I almost broke it. What's this? What is that? It's something. Should we? Oh, it's right there. Oh, oh! I thought that was another. I thought that was glass. Oh, so this is the gym. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, so this is the gym. There's some water here. It's very dark. How do you turn on the light? So this is the gym. Mostly treadmill, but we're walking all day. Oh, they have free weights, huh?
Back day.
Back day? Back day, this is the pool. We might visit the pool because we haven't visited the pool. Oh, they have a row. This looks like a row machine here. This could be chest right here. Not bad. Oh, tricep push down. Yeah, we could use this for triceps. This leg day if I need legs. So we're at the market in BGC. Christmas market. Let's go inside? Oh, let's wait. Oh, look. Louis Vuitton. Oh, you get the Crocs right here. Well, we're going later on. Later. I'm gonna walk around real quick. Socks. I need socks. What else do they have around here? Oh, it's just like clothes, huh? They have that. Let's want to look at that real quick. Or do you want to keep looking at clothes? We're gonna look at Hecka in Green Hills, by the way.
Look.
Okay, that's fine.
This one has gold on it. This one's pretty. Look at this one. That's hello. Ooh.
Oh, look at these shirts. Hold on. Good person. My name is. Look at this one piece.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Stussy. But we're going. Oh, Cabellin. Popeye. Popeyes.
We don't really find Popeyes out of the country.
Look at it. There's snacks here.
Tangas.
You want snacky snackos?
So cute.
I'm gonna look around real quick. Oh. Papanga. It is, yeah. I don't think they specialize. They're just.
Maybe this is some like specific like poem on itself. Fish cheeks?
Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Churro Star. Oh, Senior Bidia. Popeyes. Kamai Kain. Churros? The heck?
want to eat.
Yeah. But there's like a food here. Pasta, empanada. Special barbecue. Oh, lumpia. What are you trying to get here? Let's go on this side, though. What? Bulalo? Hecka hot. You want to try lumpia natix? Sisig hooray? Shomai? Chicken pork pares. Captain Calamar. Lugao Republic. Pancit. Konbini. Authentic pancit malabon. But tomorrow is I think we're going to Binondo. That's where we're gonna get Asian food or Chinese food and stuff.
I can't hear you, by the way.
Binondo.
Yeah,
That's the oldest, you know. Look at that car. Hello, look at how it says hello human. Feeding dogs and cats. I think they take care of it. Ready?
Good job, baby. Aww.
And then Konbini, 7-Eleven. Oh, you want to go through the fruit market thing? What?
I like this about Philippines. I really like this.
What? What do you?
You just go up to a market and they're all nicely like organized. Ooh, orchids. I thought it was smoke-free zone. It smells
I know, me too. What? Oh. What are those?
This is lychee. Oh my god, it's so delicious.
Is it?
Lychee. This one's
Oh.
This is superior. That's
Dragon fruit. There's mangoes? I mean, not mango. Avocado. Yeah. Fried mango. What's? Oh, grapefruit, durian. Your favorite durian. Come on.
apples are delicious, by the way. The apples are good. I already have mangoes.
Yeah, we have a lot of fruits. We have heck of grapes too. Do you think the grapes messed us up or something? I don't know. Something messed us up.
I don't think it's the grapes. I think it's the pizza.
I don't think so. Oh, let's look at the Ferris wheel. Oh, not the Ferris wheel. What is that? Merry-go-round. Yeah. Yeah.
I feel like this part, the Philippines got it right. Like this market is so nice. It's very organized.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I like it.
There's like a people now. What time? It's like 10 o'clock.
Yep.
10 o'clock. Are they closed?
I think they're still setting up.
Up to 50%. K-Talk food entertainment. What? Konbini. I don't know what that is. They look like Korean, huh? Jeepneys. Look at these. Jeepneys. I don't know what to do too. Maligayan Pasco. Oh, this is an exit. I guess.
Maligayan Pasco.
It's hecka hot.
It's important.
Okay. I think we're gonna go inside the mall real quick, then we're gonna go to the Mitsukoshi Mall.
Yeah.
All right. This is the mall. This is a mall in this is Market. Look at this. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth, fifth, 5 floors at this mall. What the heck? Hey, let's explore this mall a little bit. No, let's look at. We're gonna keep looking at food. Let's walk around.
Okay. Can I eat this right now?
Go ahead. Look at this. This is heck of floors, and it feels so nice in here. Like there's. Oh, it's not even record.
Yeah, literally buy my makeup here.
Hopefully this gets my voice. I don't know, but look at this. I'll just do like a quick little sweep. So let's go kind of quick. These malls are so big. We can't look at everything. Okay, this is a look how big this mall is, right? And they're saying Mall of Asia is the biggest.
Really?
Look at this. This is already the biggest that I've seen so far. This is crazy. Let's go in the middle. I want to show the whole thing. This mall is so giant. Look at that. They got KFC, Daiso. Watch out your feet. What the heck? Daiso, Wendy's, Sbarro, Payless, Krispy Kreme. Bro, like there's so many. I don't know. We can't even go to all these floors and stores. Like we have.
We'll have to go to a different mall.
We're going to Mall of Asia. Like, oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is a lot.